Nung araw kasi, pag sinabi Station 3, ayaw, layo, ganyan, pangit. Pag Station 2, okay. Station 1, yung talaga, wow, yaman, ganun. So, okay naman pala dito sa Station 3. What's up? Welcome back to InSein World. So today it's April 22, 2023. It's a Saturday and it's our second day with the sun here in the Tides Hotel Boracay. We're done with our lunch. Breakfast pala. Breakfast pa lang. It's already 10:30 p.m. 10:30 a.m. So we're planning to go to Boracay Station 3. Ano siya? Content creation. So dumating po yung famous TikToker na inggit. At yung famous YouTuber collaboration. Uy, nagko-content si Ian. Kaya lumayo ako eh. So may nagaganap ngayon. Content creation R. Content creating R. Ito naman, famous in the future vlogger ng travel vlog. Dati InSein travel vlogs ako noon eh. So it-inspire ko siya mag-travel vlog na rin. So that's how the insanity works. You influence others to inspire people. So we inspire influencers inspiring others to influence everyone. And of course, before you follow them, follow me first in InSein World. I also have a gaming channel. It's called Anachor's Curse. So if you're playing Marvel vs. Capcom 2, you can see daily uploads. And ayan na. Famous TikToker in action.
Kunti pa sa dali
So kanina pa kami isang oras
So kanina pa kami isang oras ng tara.
puro tara. Tanghali na, nakakatapos lang mag-almusal. Tapos lunch na. It's already April 22, 2023. Today it's Saturday, 12:20 p.m. Katatapos lang namin ng breakfast kanina. So it means like 2 hours na nagti-TikTok, kanta-kanta, tapos ligo-ligo. So we're going to Station 3. Picture, TikTok and transition. You can see you. Ay, umpog pala. Teleport, umpog. Finally, we're going to leave after 2 hours. Saan? Sige. So nakababa na kami. Pero mukhang TikTok influencers creation mode kami. Famous TikToker and famous YouTuber beats InSein. So dito kami sa The Tides Hotel Boracay. This is our influencers 12 noon. Gusto namin masunog sa araw. So after 1 hour, nandito pa rin kami sa loob ng Tides Hotel. Content creation Boracay session. TikTok creator creating TikTok content right now. Famous YouTuber creating famous YouTube upload later on. And myself also creating a new content in InSein World for the Tides Hotel. Ayan, so after another 30 minutes of me waiting sa lobby kasi nag-create sila ng TikTok content. Dito kami uli, we're back here in D-Mall. Well, nandito lang naman din yung hotel namin sa D-Mall. So nandito kami sa lagoon ng Boracay, sa oasis ng Boracay na bawal mag-swim. Paano sasakyan natin? Jay, ikaw na mag-lead. Sakay daw kami doon. Kaya dito tayo magla-lunch sa McDo. Yan, may McDo dito. Likod ng D-Mall sa may highway. Yan, loading and unloading dito. Punta kami sa Station 3.
May papasok pa rin doon. Meron na.
Okay, so we availed this truck for special package. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Uy! 1, 2, 3. Tapos yung B. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so binaba kami dito ng jeep sa loob-loob ng Station 3. Lagpas pala siya ng Station X from the mall, lagpas siya ng Station X. So punta namin yung Station 3. Kung ayaw nyo ayaw nyo maglakad sa beach kasi ito tanghali tapat. They're buying time. Ito pala yung Villa Robero de Boracay. Nandito pala locate. Nakikita ko tayo sa mga booking site. Ay, ang ganda. Oh my God. What? After 11 visits of Boracay, finally went into this part of the Boracay Island. Station 3. Sobrang ganda din pala. Ba't ba kasi hindi kami nakakapunta dito? Ano?
Nung ako dumaan, sabi niya, let's go diving, sir. Let's go kayo. Mag-diving kayo, sir.
Oh, English. So, foreigner. So, So, foreigner ka. And napakaganda ng Boracay. Uy, Sun Life! Bagay na bagay ka dun! Sun Life Financial Advisor. Woo! Grabe ang init. Tanghaling 1 PM. Here in Station 3.
Dito kasi sa gitna.
Saan?
Dahil dito yung naka-block.
Okay. So I just would like to announce dahil wala kaming cellphone holder para sa content creation namin ng TikTok. Sinabit ko ang bag ko kasi nakita ko may pasabit doon. Kaya dito pinatong yung phone. When there's a will, there's a way. Meron kaming improvised portable holder, content creation holder phone. Yan. Content creating of famous influencers ongoing. 2, 1. Wish buhay TikToking. Hindi pa sila tapos. Takaling tapat, ganado, sabi nga ni Rodel. Famous YouTuber with 33k followers and famous TikToker na may 30k followers din. Sa tabi-tabi lang ako, nahihilo na ako, na vertigo na ako sa init. Sige, dyan lang kayo, dito lang ako. So until now, it's 2:36 PM. Hindi pa na sila tapos mag-TikTok Kreator. Still waiting, hindi pa kami nakapag-lunch. This is a Station 3, this is our first time, so it's worth it naman. Nung araw kasi, pag sinabi Station 3, ayaw, layo, ganyan, pangit. Pag Station 2, okay. Station 1, yung talaga, wow, yaman, ganun. So, okay pa pala dito sa Station 3. I just realized that. After 11 visits, di pa sila tapos. Alright, so after 3 hours, 2.5 hours of doing TikTok content, TikTok Reels and YouTube content, even me, right now I'm creating. Lunch na kami. So we still have like 1.5 hours to do the lunch. Then balik sa hotel and then Paraw. Paraw sa araw. In Boracay. Pala yung Crown Regency. Dito sa Station 3. Na nagsisale. Katabi ng La Isla Bonita. Boracay Sands. Okay, tapos ito yung Astoria Current Station 3 rin. Daming bagong hotel dito eh. Golden Phoenix Hotel. Ito pala yung Astoria Current. Oh, dito yung Gcash Hub. Food Festival and Seafood Market. Wow. Ito yung Bamboo Beach Resort. Okay. Okay ko nakikita to. Ayun o. Ang docks. And we're here. Finally. Boundary ng Station 3 at Station 2 is La Carmela. Ito yung 5,000 for these 3 nights na tinanggihan nila. Ayaw nila dito. Yan, La Carmela. Ito yung Nigi. Sa mga lagi ko nakikita. Ayun yung before and after ko. Yung daming tao. So, before and after ulit tayo guys. Dito sa famous, most attractive before and after position. So, nagtitingin ako ng next hotel dito sa Boracay after ng The Tides. So, may kapagod. Iba na dito. Ay, ito pangarap ko tong hotel na to eh. Yan o, naparat ko sa vlog, Boracay Uptown. Tapos doon siya sa taas. Thumbnail, maraming views yan, 3,000 eh. Pero pangarap ko yung Boracay Uptown Hotel. Kasi naparat ko yung vlog doon sa may InSein World. Kaya napasubscribe ako sa InSein World eh. Digit yung mga reviews. Ay, si Drew oh. Ay, Drew. Lamon kong lamon.
Ha? Ba't ka naman sasabihin niya ako? Famous runner.
Kasi may famous TikToker, YouTuber, tsaka...
Saka galing?
Tsaka ano, buti na lang dito kasi gutom na.
TikTok. Nag-TikTok kayo?
Cheers! Welcome back to InSein World. So today, nandito tayo sa second day pa rin ng Boracay Adventure 2023 dito sa may Island Chicken Inasal, Boracay. It's already what? 33 p.m. Late lunch. Kasama natin si Kabagang Jeraymon and si Ian, ang ating dancer, famous YouTuber and famous TikToker. Ulas. Ano natin kung may pa-review sila dito para may libre ulit tayo, libreng biko. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so we will be back.